Hello, class 3. Hope you are fine. And today, again, I'm here for your social study class. Look at class 3 in social studies. And today we are going to study lesson 1, me and my family. So, can you please follow me and my family? So, all of you are staying in a family, and maybe some of you are in village, some of you are here in town, but we all of us are in a family. And as I taught you before, some of us are in small family with father, mother, brother, sister only, and then some of us are in big family like hostel, home, big family, big more numbers there, and then maybe some of you are with grandfather, grandmother, uncle, auntie, cousin, brothers, sisters, and their siblings, and your father, mother. That is called the big family. But anyway, so today we are going to study me and my family. It is the first lesson. Maybe some of you bought book, and if you have not, and you can see here in the book also, on the screen also. Okay, so today let me read the lesson first. So please you listen. You can see your book also. Lesson 1, me and my family. Hi, I'm Mannan Thapa. I study in class 3. I live at Bhaisipati, Lalitpur with my family. Yesterday, that is 13th of Boishak, was my birthday. I am 8 years old now. Yesterday, my parents had organized a birthday party for me. Everyone come for the party. We took our family photograph. This is my family photograph. So he's going to talk about this picture. So this is his family, Mannan's family photograph. Okay. So let me read. Let me continue. My grandfather and grandmother are at the center of the group. My grandfather, Mr. Tul Bahadur Thapa, is 69-year-old. He is a retired army man. My grandmother, Mrs. Naramai Thapa, is 65-year-old. She is a housewife. Beside my grandfather, my father is standing with my sister. My father, Mr. Madhusudan Thapa, is 37-year-old. He works in a government office. Next to him is my mother, Kajal Thapa. She is 32-year-old. She works in a private bank. My sister, Nori, is younger than me. She is only 20 months old. She does not go to school yet. Beside my grandmother, my auntie is standing with my uncle. She is my father's elder sister. Her name is Kusum Rana. She is 39-year-old. She works in a school as an English teacher. Her husband, Mr. Chandra Rana, is a civil engineer in a government office. He is 40-year-old. Behind my grandparents, my youngest uncle and auntie are standing. My uncle, Mr. Durga Thapa, is 32-year-old. His wife, Mrs. Kumud Thapa, is 29-year-old. They both are doctors and work in a hospital. In front of my grandparents, I, along with my cousin, am sitting on the floor. I am at the center. On my right is my elder cousin, Sujal Rana. He is 12-year-old. He studies in class 7. On my left is my other cousin, Levi Rana. She is as old as I am. She too studies in class 3. Look at this is the lesson. And this is the lesson, and this is about the family of this Manna Thapa. So this is the story of his family. So you have also your own story, right? Some of you are with grandfather, some of you are with grandmother, some of you are only with father, mother. So you have different story. So you come to know about this story, and then you can solve the question answer whatever given related to this lesson. But you think about your family. Who is the elder member of your family? Who is the youngest member of your family? If there is grandfather, what is your grandfather? What is your grandmother? If not, father, mother are there, of course. What is your father? What is your mother? If not, uncle, auntie are there, right? So what uncle does, what auntie, what she's doing, and what other younger brothers, sisters are doing, in which class they are studying or not. So you think, and then you think and make plan or write paragraph about like this family, or at least you should know when is your father's date of birth, mother's date of birth, sisters, or your family, how your father, mother are running your family. At least you should know. And then you should know the address also, where it is located, where your house is located, where are you staying, maybe Kushunti or Lalitpur only, or where are you, maybe in village, you need to know. Okay, so if you know little bit more about your family, and then like the objective of this lesson will fulfill. You need to know. So like we cannot, you and me cannot talk like directly, we cannot do communication with the video, but you can ask to your elder brother, elder sister, uncle, auntie, or senior, whoever there is a senior member in your family. You can ask and get idea about your family. Okay, so there is a glossary and some difficult word meaning also given there. So it is written here, you know, cousin, a child of your uncle or aunt. So can you please follow me? Cousin, a child of your uncle or aunt. And the organized, arranged. The spelling of organized is O-R-G-A-N-I-Z-E-D. Organized means arrange. Okay, arrange properly, arranging the program, arranging the books, copies, organized. Okay, and then retired means not working anymore. Retired means they when somebody works many years somewhere in the office or different places, and then because of age, because of maybe bad health, they leave the job and they take rest. Okay, that is the retirement, retire. And these three words, a glossary word meaning also given in this lesson. Okay, so please you read 1, 2, 3, maybe 3 times at home, and then see the picture, and you also try to draw same picture like your family. How many members are there? You can draw in your copy, social copy. Nowadays very less, you don't need to come to school, and then very less subject we are teaching and sending, less homework we are sending. In free time you can draw your family picture, and you can display at home. Okay, on the room of your wall. Now question number 1, evaluation exercise there. 1, 2, 3 you already did last time that I gave these 3 homework, and today I'm going to give this number 4 is your homework. I'll send in a slip, and maybe some of you may not have books, so you can get idea from there and you can do the homework. Okay, so there are only 3 questions. Please you do it, and please you study, and next day I'll teach you help in the family. Okay, help in the family lesson 2, but unit 1 lesson 2, help in the family. Next class I'm going to teach you. Okay, thank you class 3, take care, bye bye, and see you in next class.